What's going on, everybody? I'm Coach Gary, and today I'm going to show you how to change the oil in your Craftsman Briggs Stratton Gold 5.5 horsepower push mower. Alright, before we get started, just wanted to make sure everyone is aware that this is where you'll be filling and draining your oil from. Right here. This is going to be an easy process. I'm going to make it super simple, and I hope this information helps someone. Before you begin to change your oil, make sure you warm up your engine about 2 to 3 minutes. That thins the oil and makes it come out a lot easier. Make sure there's little to no gas in the gas tank, because you're going to have to tip the mower over to remove the old oil. I hope that you all will dispose of your oil in the most eco-friendly way possible. One of the easiest ways to dispose of this is just to take it to your nearest auto parts store or your nearest auto shop. Now, I've heard that an engine to this size holds about 12 ounces of oil. This is 18 ounces. But what I like to do is pour, and then I check my dipstick to make sure that it's at the right mark. I don't know if you guys can see that, but what it's saying is we need a little bit more oil in there. That's it. Well, guys, that's it. I hope I was able to help you in some way. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.